Welcome to the K&D Enterprise channel. The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe. Good day, I wanted to show you just a nice little feature here. It's the home lock feature. So basically if you're out flying around and you found a good path and you like it and you want to bring your aircraft back and free your hands up, do some filming on the way back, this is the way to go. So again, just press on the little controller icon and it's going to bring you into the menu for the intelligent flight modes. Click on home lock, and basically at this point you just apply it, and if you press down on the control stick it will come back to your home point on that same, like a direct path back, or if you press forward it will fly away from your home point on a direct path away from home. So let's give it a try. Apply. Okay, and I'm just going to hide that. So let's try flying away here. Oh, better record. That way I can get some nice footage. So I'm going to press forward, and basically it's going away from the home point. I can rotate the aircraft. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's very nice. And if you want to bring the aircraft back, pull back on the stick, and it's coming back along that path. And if for some reason you want to start rotating around, you could do that. So that's kind of stuff you can do with that. Plus it's going to come right back to you. So nice feature. I'd suggest trying it if you're trying to do some filming, whatnot. Works great. Alright, I'm going to go capture my drone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.